Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how understanding slicing. Slicing is a technique used in computer programming to extract a portion of a sequence, such as a list, tuple, or string, by specifying a start and end index. In Python, the syntax for slicing is as follows: sequence, start, and step, where sequence is the sequence to be sliced. Start is the index of the first element to be included in the slice. If not specified, it defaults to 0. End is the index of the first element to be excluded from the slice. If not specified, it defaults to the length of the sequence. Step is the stride between elements in the slice. If not specified, it defaults to 1. Here are some examples of slicing. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that slicing does not modify the original sequence, but creates a new one. Also, if any of the specified indices are out of range, Python will not raise an error, but will simply adjust them to the nearest valid value. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.